He gradually distances himself from his own nature, his own humanity, his own human nature. So, we know how this happens. We see the little choices in Macbeth's mind that he makes. We see the little choices in Lady Macbeth's mind and the way their minds sometimes work together, which would be quite an interesting topic. What we have to pay attention to is a tragedy here, which is why and how can this happen? How can somebody make these choices? Is it through some sort of bad luck, bad fate? Is it some sort of illness? Lady Macbeth says he doesn't have the illness that should attend on the ambition that he has. This is the analysis that you're going to have to provide for your essay. You're going to have to ask yourself these questions. How can somebody go from being such a fine human being to being a creepy fiend? Now, there are many, many, many ways to address this question. There are many ways to talk about the issue of responsibility. How does this happen? Who's responsible for this kind of thing? You know, is he influenced by his wife? Is he influenced by the witches? Is it something within himself, his ambition? How does this happen? So if you look at the background, just to review the Elizabethan mindset, the idea of the great chain of being, the intent of Shakespeare to take a very simple and very exciting story from the bloody, violent history of Scotland and make it into one of the greatest tragedies, where this great, brave man goes to become a just paranoid, meaningless, nihilist, tyrannical, lunatic, freakomatic. That's really a brilliant play. And there's so many things you could analyze, so many pieces. So this is just hopefully giving you a tiny, tiny little bit of help. And this is Adina Berg now signing off from my living room with my experimental humanities lecture online. Thank you for listening.